So this is the old scratched up motor that we are going to repaint in this video. Alright, so we got the wheel here. Alright, so got all the stickers off, so now it's time to sand and then put some coats of paint on, sand some more.
So we're starting with 400. So, and you'll be able to feel when you hit something that's rough. The best way when you're sanding is to run your hand over it.
Does it matter that some's all the way to the paint?
No, because we're going to fill that. So you run your hand around it, and when you feel something that feels bumpy, and then occasionally, this is going to clog up pretty quick. So try and blow the dirt that way. And we'll go through several pieces of sandpaper.
Three hours later.
Alright, time for the primer. Now it's time to do my favorite thing, and that's more sanding. Alright, let's get to it. A little bit there, I think.
This melts the primer, so you just barely touch it.
Maybe there? Oh, definitely right here.
Here, you just have to hand sand around them. Don't sand the rivets, because it'll cut right through the rivets.
One eternity later.
Alright, so thanks for watching my repainting video on an old 1998 70 horsepower Nissan motor. I got this motor from a guy who had given up on a project, but he had just had it laying on its side, so it was very scratched up. And before that, it was on a pontoon boat, which I suspect was housed outside because it, quite frankly, looked like crap. It looked like it was from 1998. I previously had a 40 horse on it from 1997, a year older, but it looked brand new because the person had taken good care of it and kept it covered. But I wanted the extra power, and I have to say it was a good decision. The motor works phenomenally. for wakeboarding and just goes a bit faster. So if you have a motor that is a bit aged, or you're thinking about getting one, don't be afraid to just get it and repaint it and put some new decals on it. Actually, I also made a video on that. I already released that one, so I will put it at the end of this video. You can go ahead and click on that and watch that. But the project was not the most fun project, lots of sanding involved, but it definitely is worth it. So if you want to increase the value of your boat, make your boat look a lot nicer just for yourself, go ahead and give this project a try. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and go ahead and check out my dad's channel as well, Kramer's Classics, where he does full restores on motorcycles, classic cars. He does work on his airplane, lots of videos of him flying the airplane too. It's a great channel. It's a lot more popular than this one, so go ahead and check out his channel and give him a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next You're My Boy Blue Boats video.